welcome to another video. Today I'm heading to Leeds to have a run in Leeds tunnels. So Leeds has quite a few of them, and I thought, you know, since I've got MPE, I need to go to Leeds and I need to drive through the tunnels with my windows down, and obviously I might open the valves. So no more talking, let's jump ahead to the tunnels. So I'm in Leeds, gonna drive through the city centre now, find some tunnels, make some noise, have some fun. Just my mate joined me in his M140. Honestly, this car sounds silly. The sound bouncing of the buildings just makes things so much louder than they are in a normal driving. Hello tunnels, here we go. So much noise, but our exhausts are still loud. Oh wow. And another tunnel. This one is actually quite narrow, so it's going to be fun. Here we go. Bloody hell. What a crazy, crazy car. Absolute hooligan, this car with this exhaust. I think it's far too much to drive like that all the time. Obviously for me it's a one-off. It's travel to Leeds just purely to have some fun. I wouldn't drive like that all the time. Obviously that must be slightly annoying for some people. So yeah, definitely not something I would do on a daily basis.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one very shortly. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.